Hello children, this is the first lesson of your text New Grammar and More. So this is actually a revision of what you learned from the modules today. Okay, so first one is in the first page, what do you have about sentences? What is a sentence? What are the four types of sentences? All these are given in detail. What are the four types of sentences again? Yes, declarative or assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence and exclamatory sentence. After what is given there, you have to go through each and every line, and after that we have the exercise A. In that, circle the correct options to identify the kinds of these sentences. Some sentences are given, you have two options and you have to circle the correct option. So the first one is very easy. See, Tannu is going to Maldives next week. What type of sentence is it? Declarative or imperative? It is declarative. Okay, so circle declarative. Similarly, all other sentences you have to do. It's quite easy, isn't it? Only a little circling you have to do. Now next one B is add the correct punctuation mark at the end of each sentence, isn't it? So if it is an imperative sentence, we will use full stop. If it is an exclamatory sentence, we will use the exclamation mark. If it is an interrogative sentence, we will use the question mark. If it is a declarative sentence, we will use the full stop. So this exercise is quite easy. First one, I will do it for you. Please have a seat. Please have a seat. It is a request. So what type of sentence it is? It is imperative sentence. So in the end you have to give a full stop. Okay. So similarly the rest also you have to do. See, don't think it as a burden. The first exercise only you have to put a tick mark. And here you have to put only the punctuation marks. It won't take even 2 minutes. Okay, so this exercise also you have to do. We will discuss about all this in our interactive section. Okay, interactive session. So at that time, I will check whether all of you have done that. I will ask questions to each one of you. If you haven't done that, you will get from me. Okay. Next exercise is a little difficult, but you being very intelligent children, you can do it very well. Okay. So see, what is it? Use the given words and phrases to make sentences. Sometimes you have to add a single word in order to make it as they have asked you. Okay. So see, first one, what is it? You writing difficult essays, find. So what have they asked you to do? Make it into interrogative. So do you find writing essays difficult? So you have added another word, do. So next one, see, need all to you plan is do. You have to make it into a declarative sentence. So what will come? All you need to do is plan. So that is how you have to write. Only sometimes you have to add a word. Okay. So next also you please try to do. We will discuss it in the interactive session. Okay. Now the next exercise D. Verify the kind of each sentences. Change the sentences into the 3 other kinds. So how many type of sentences are there in total? 4. So one type of sentence is given. You have to identify which type of sentence is that and write it down. And then the other 3 forms you have to write. See, the first one is done for you. Hooray! Mamta is going to visit us today. So how it is done? Next, how it is done? Mamta is coming to visit us today. That is declarative. So the question was exclamatory. Then we wrote it in the declarative form. Next one, see, is Mamata coming to visit us today? Interrogative form. Mamata, please come to visit us today. Imperative form. Next one, wow, Dreamy has gifted me a kitten. What type of sentence is it? Exclamatory. So how will you write it in a declarative? Dreamy has gifted me a kitten. Very easy, isn't it? Next one, has Dreamy gifted me a kitten? Yes. Next one, Dreamy, please gift me something. Anyway, okay, that it's up to your wish. You can write it your own way, but it must be an imperative sentence. Okay, so other few examples are there, only 3 more questions are there, you can do it. Okay, we will study the rest of the exercises in the next module. Hope you understood all these one. Thank you.